What's going on, people? Hopefully you guys are all safe, and in today's video we're going to go through this petition here: allow driving instructors to pass learners unable to book a test. So as you guys are all aware, there was a petition going out to allow driving instructors to pass learners who can't book a test, and obviously you needed about 10,000 signatures for the government to reply. So we got about 48,000, almost 50,000, and the government has finally responded. Let's see what they're saying. Government respond: there is no provision within legislation that allows an approved driving instructor (ADI) to conduct a driving test for a learner driver. The government has no plans to lay legislation to amend this. So there is no provision within legislation. So meaning they don't have any authority to allow driving instructors to do the test. So that's what they're trying to say here. Let me just see what else they're saying. Okay, the COVID-19 pandemic has been an unprecedented challenge for us all. Our absolute priority is to tackle the spread of COVID-19 following the announcement of national lockdown restriction. All routine practical driving lessons and tests have been suspended until the restrictions are lifted. The Road Traffic Act 1988 only allows a full driving license to be issued if the person has passed the test of competence to drive. The Motor Vehicles Driving License 1999 regulations require driving test examiners to meet certain criteria and pass an initial qualification and examination before being authorized by the Secretary of State to conduct practical driving tests. Meaning, so here we go, that's quite important sentence here saying that all driving examiners have to go through rigorous training before they can pass anyone. The regulation also specifically prohibits an examiner from simultaneously being an active ADI. So you can't have a driving instructor who's also a driving examiner at the same time. Although ADIs are well qualified and proficient in driving and instruction, thank you guys, that's me, they are not experienced assessors, and this is evidenced by the current practical test pass rate of 47%. Okay, that's quite a kick in the teeth. The Driving Vehicle Standard Agency appreciates that there is a high demand for driving tests. Once it is safe for driving tests to resume, the DVS will ensure measures are in place to increase testing availability wherever possible. This will include offering overtime and annual leave buyback to examiners, asking all those qualified to carry out tests warrant card holders to do so, and conducting out-of-hours testing such as on public holidays. We recognize these restrictions have a significant impact on jobs and the economy. We have provided financial support for those whose livelihoods are impacted. Okay, that's regarding us. Anyway, so the point is, you can't you're not going to have a driving instructor to give you guys a driving license. So let me know what you guys think. Do you think the government made the correct decision in denying driving instructors to give you guys a driving license? Did they make the right decision, or is it just a cop-out saying it's not their authority to do so? Don't forget, guys, we've made loads of videos about driving. Our recent video, two really important rules in your driving test and your driving lessons. Don't forget to watch also this one here: driving test cancelled for a really dumb reason. It's quite a funny video, this one. I think you guys will enjoy. So it's under the popular uploads. And do watch our latest video about the two most important rules in your driving test and in your driving lessons. Don't forget, guys, to like, share and subscribe with us, FM Driving School. Thank you for watching. Take care.